Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. Thought we would, well, let's take a look at Gordy. Hi Gordy. Hi buddy. Gordy wants out. Well, he's gonna stay in for a minute. Anyway, hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. Thought I would go over quickly upgrades to the Harbor Freight mini lathe. Okay? Now the most obvious is the tachometer, and the sensor lies inside the cover for the gears. It reads the magnet, and it is powered by a wall wart. Unbeknownst to me, that is a wall wart, 110 converted to, it puts out 12.9 volts. So, another upgrade would be magnetic closure there, magnetic chip guard, 4-jaw chuck, 4-inch. The lathe came with 3-inch 3-jaw, and that is my go-to chuck. The 4-jaw 4-inch is just a bit much, I think, for the mini lathe. I recently got a well, I didn't foresee that problem. Anyway, I got a mag base for my clock. Upgraded carriage lock. Very happy with that compared to what I had. Removal of the compound. And down here, where's my hand at? There it is. Okay, we added this, I'm not sure what to call it. There's 6 ball bearings there. 2 adjust laterally, and then 4 are running on this surface here. That is probably, besides removing the compound, that is probably one of the single most effective upgrades as far as improving rigidity. Got these plates here locking in the quick change tool post. Removing the thread dial gave me 2 more inches of travel on my carriage, which equates to about 30% more travel. We got the poor man's DRO. I had one on the compound as well, but apparently I over-oiled it and it ceased working. I got a collet chuck, or the ability to use collets, drawbar. Got a 2-inch vise and a fixture plate that I had around, and one day we may try mounting that on the lathe and do some basic milling ops. Got my homemade thread gauge. We got imperial, metric, got 30 seconds down on the side, It's a work in progress. Tap holes go all the way through, so you can check bolts on the bottom. That's about it for the upgrades to the Harbor Freight mini lathe 7x10. Actually, I think with the 3-jaw chuck, I think I measured 4.5 inches. So it would be 6.5 with the thread gauge removed. But once you put the tailstock on, it eats up that space really fast. I want to come up with some kind of power drive for my cross feed. And that's not a big, shouldn't be a big deal. Hey, please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend. Hi, Gordy. Hey, Gordy.